How to fix missing photos or videos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, scroll down and go to the Recent Days album. You can view all your recent days pictures and videos over here. Select any day from here. For example, today. You can now view all the photos and videos that you saved today over here. If you can't find the photo or video that you're looking for, then go back and scroll down to the Utilities section. Here, tap on Recently Deleted. You can view all your recently deleted photos and videos here. Then, go back again and tap on Imports. Here, you will find all your imported photos and videos. Following these steps, you can easily fix missing photos or videos on iPhone.